Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for the week of November 13th, 2022, Part 1. This week's theme is Pickles. Pickle Things by Marc Brown. Pickle things you never see, like pickles on a Christmas tree. A pickle ear. A pickle nose. Pickle hair, and pickle toes. Pickle up, pickle down, juggled by a pickle clown. Pickle in, pickle out. Pickles from the water spout. Pickle things you never make, like pickle pie and pickle cake. Pickle donuts, pickle flakes, pickle candies, pickle shakes. Pickle things you never buy, like pickle kites that fly sky high. A pickle ball, a pickle bat, a pickle train, a pickle hat. You never hear a pickle talk. You never see a pickle walk. You never hear a pickle sing or see a pickle leave a ring. Can you ride a pickle boat around a pickle castle moat? Or ever steer a pickle bike down Pickle Street and Pickle Pike? Or ever fly a pickle plane through pickle snow and pickle rain? Or ski a pickle down a slope? Or climb a pickle with a rope? One thing for sure you never do is wear a pickle for a shoe. Never pickles on your feet. Of course not, silly. They're to eat. The end. Alright, we're going to make a pickle person. So what you'll need is your craft to go kit, some markers, crayons, coloring pencils, whatever you'd like, and a glue stick. And inside your craft to go kit, you'll find a pickle body, some arms, some legs, a couple of pickle feet, and a couple of googly eyes. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to color the arms and legs, and I'm just going to do mine black because that's just what color I want to use. So just go ahead and color your pickle person any way you'd like. You can make them rainbow, you can make them green, you can make them black like me, whatever you'd like to do. And once you're finished coloring, we'll come back and glue all the pickle parts onto the pickle body. Okay, I'm just finishing up the second arm. I've done the legs, and I think that's pretty good. Mine's totally covered. Alright, so what we're gonna do, so I'm gonna glue this stuff on the back. I'm gonna glue 2 arms and 2 legs. Here's a spot for 1 arm. And the second arm. I'm putting mine up in the air, waving like they just don't care. Yep. And then the feet, legs go down here. turn it over. You can see he's got legs and arms. I'm gonna glue the little pickle feet on. Get a good amount of glue there. There's one foot. And 2 feet. Now we just gotta glue the eyes on. Just putting some glue on the back of the eyeball. Sticking it up there. Do the same with the second one. Glue it on there. It's 4 o'clock. And then I'm gonna draw a nose and a mouth on him so he has a face. So here's the nose. And I'm gonna give him a red mouth. And just for fun, I think I'll give him some eyebrows. And you can give him eyelashes, you can give him freckles, you can give him a beard and mustache if you'd like. But I'm just giving him a little face. So I have to curve it out here, but that's what he looks like. Let's see if I can get it up there. And that's it.